Okay. See, we discussed about advanced DSO, transformation, DTP, Open Hub. Okay. So now, a very important topic. This is complete provider. So complete provider is a virtual provider, and it won't store data physically. So we will do mainly two operations in this, like union and join. So we can create complete provider based on the below objects like info objects, advanced DSO, complete provider. You can include complete provider within the incomplete provider. Okay, this is interview questions. Okay. So this is important. We can create complete provider based on the fields based modeling and also info object model. So now how we will create that we will see. Okay, how we will create these options. Okay. Now, interview questions, what they will do, difference between difference between multi-provider and complete provider. They will ask complete provider on top of this. This is one question. Okay, interview questions. How do you enable navigation attribute in complete provider? How do you enable navigation attribute in complete provider? Okay. Can we add complete provider into another complete provider? Can we create complete provider based on calculation view or not? Okay. Mostly they will ask these questions. Okay. We'll see practically how we will create these objects. But every interview, every day, okay, if we have interview, they will ask about this complete provider. We'll see step by step how we will create complete provider. What is union? Example union. Okay. So while we are studying in the mathematics, we having A and B union. We are trying to do A union B. Okay. What will happen A union B? So this is the union happening. So we are combining the both data. We don't require any join condition for both. So if it is matching, if you don't match also, we are combining the data when you are performing union. So when you are performing ANDs or joins, we should have how we will do it. Okay. Just opposite to you. Okay. Intersect. That you can say intersects. So where is the symbol in my laptop itself? I don't have that intersect option. Opposite to this U. Okay, down. A union B. I mean that means intersect. So that symbol I don't have it currently in my laptop also. How do you get? Okay, that symbol. Okay, A intersect B. That means if you have, I mean the giants. Okay. Example, same scenario for intersect. But I'm just doing it. Okay. Now A intersect B having only two because of matching only two value in both. Assume like A is one table, B is another table. So common field is two. So it will bring data only two. A intersect B. But so assume like this is intersect, okay? Don't confuse. I'll write here intersect. Okay, we'll see in the practically. Currently I'm in RS70 code, okay? RS70 code. So where we will get option to creation of a complete program. Okay. Right click. Do we have option multi-product for creating? Do we have option creation of multi-product? Right click. Here you can see multi-product, virtual product, info set. So I don't have complete product option. Can you see now? We don't have option here in the SAP GA level. Which is the system this one? 7.5 version. How will you get to know? Product version. Which version? Go to here. 7.5 version. 7.5 service pack 24. So I don't have option to create complete product here. Okay. So where we have to go? So are we getting this option? For same info area, Uday info area, and if you go here, same technical name, Uday underscore info. Here also Uday underscore info. Are we getting option? Complete road. There we will not get option to creation of complete road. I'm trying to create complete road. So here, what is the option here? New complete road. We are going to create complete road. Okay. So, so I will give like this ZCP underscore 001. So in the real time, so last project, I created one complete product. In the complete product, I have added 28 ADSOs. 28 ADSOs added. Okay. As per your requirement, you can add it. So now I am clicking on next. See here, what are the options came? You can do the joins and you can do the union operations based upon our requirement. Let's say, are you going to do joins or are you going to do unions? You know, right? First, we need to decide which one we need to go. Okay, are you getting the data from SAP HANA or BW? If you want to get the data from SAP HANA, select this option. If you want to create complete product based on the calculation view, this is what we discussed here. Are you going to create calculation complete product based on the, see here, we can create complete product based on the below objects. So yes, this is calculation view. This is the option I am showing you. I can create complete product based on the calculation view. If you give here, we'll get it. Okay, I will give star. Okay, see, these are all the calculation views. Based on this calculation view, I can create the complete product. Okay, if I go here, I can see these options. Okay, let me try. So what are all objects are available? Okay, let me give ZZDSO 17. Do we have it? Yes, I do have. Okay, I got this option. Okay, let's finish. See, another option, okay. This complete product can be added to another complete product. So if you select this option, then I can use this complete product into another complete product. Otherwise, it is not possible. Now we covered two options. While creating complete product, we covered this option. And also, okay, what is this? Yeah, this one. Can we add complete product into another complete product? So if you want to use this complete product into another complete product, we need to select this option. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. Go to scenario. Now you can see this is the option. This is union, correct? We are going to create union based on the this DSO. Okay, what are all objects are available under this? Hmm? So now I wanted to add, see in the target, don't confuse here, don't confuse here. Like this is source, composite provider level, this is the source, DSO object, and the target level, composite provider level, as of now, nothing will be there. Now I am trying to map in. Okay, right click, create assignments. That means in the composite provider, now we having these objects. Okay, think target is composite provider, source is this one. Are you getting me? Clear? So in the composite provider level, we just added all these objects. So material mapped it automatically, posting date, customer, plant, vendor, whatever we have in the source level, it is mapped to target. Okay. Now I'm trying to check it. Do we have any issues? Okay, let me activate it. No issues at all. Okay. If you go here, these are all not my issues. Somebody created some objects and they're having issue. It's not mine. Close. Then I try to activate again. Somebody created objects last time and they have it. So this is objects I having with warning. So see consistent object. Sometimes you feel like no, okay, having many issues in the computer. Not like that. Okay. We need to close and you can activate them again. So now you can go to output tab. So I wanted to take few objects like I want to take metal type, metal group. So metal group navigation of truth few I have it. Okay, for example, where is my customer? Sales or customer? Where is the customer? Plant is there. Right click plant and go to navigation attribute. You can see here. I can select navigation attribute plant. Can go here. So in the navigation attribute level of plant, so we have a country. So I want to select this country plant. Where exactly the plant is existed in which country. Okay. Like this you need to select. See, once I select, you can see here below bottom country. So this is the how you can select the navigation attribute in here. How do you enable the navigation attribute in complete product? In other places it is not possible. Only this is possible. Select your master data and right click and you will get the navigation attribute option. Which navigation attribute you want? Select that one. So here also vendor. From I want to know who is the business portal for this one. So I will select this option. If you have values, it will come. Okay, business. And I will go to the material. I will go to the material. I will go to the material and I will take material type. Okay. See here, I got material type. So already material type is there. So I don't want to use this one. Okay, we do some read must or something we did. So I don't want that. Okay. What I will do, I will remove that material type from here and I will get it from the navigation output. So here material type is there. I don't want this one. Okay. I don't want this one. Remove. I don't want that field itself. I don't want this metal group as well. See, I didn't map it. If we select anything, it will be highlighting. If we select anything, it will be highlighting. So if we select a material type, nothing will be there to select it. Are you getting? So, okay, like this. Let me go here and output level, I selected the material type. Where material type here? You can see here, material type here. There. Okay, we will get the values in the report level or not, we'll see. And activate it. Okay, now consistent, nothing will be there. There is no issues in our composite product. Clear, right? How to create. I created based on the info objects. This is not field based. This is not field based, ma. This is completely based on info object modeling. You can say symbols, okay? Completely info object based. You can see info objects names as well. Okay? This means this is completely info object based modeling. So now we can create modeling based on the field based modeling and the info object modeling. We just created based on the info object modeling. So I will cover in next one, okay, based on the field based modeling as well. Okay. Very simple for creation of complete product. Then let's see how data we can see in the complete product level. Go to here, select this option. Where we will see, we need to go BW system /o list cube. There is a T code list cube. Okay. There is a T code list cube. You can see in the bottom T code list cube. Okay. I entered CP and I given only select only this option. Okay. Real time also you need to select only this option. Don't confuse. Okay. Immediately go field for selection output and select all characteristics and select this option. And now I'm selecting output number of hits. So I'm reviewing. So in the real time, not only 200, many records would be there. Okay, based on your criteria, you can load and you can see it. From which data it is coming? See this one. From where data is coming, ma? Complete product. Assume like, say here, ZZDSO underscore 17. Data is coming from where? Complete product will not store data physically. Data is coming from here. Data is storing in DSO level. Data storing in DSO level physically. Composite program will not store data physically. From where data is coming? Real time. Assume like this composite program having multiple DSOs. From which DSO data is coming? Composite program. Okay. You can see based on these objects. Zero info provider. Based on the zero info provider, you can identify the data is coming from this DSO. Okay, clear at this point? Are you clear this point? Don't sleep, okay? Clear this point?
Yes, Anna.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, so if you are not responding, you will be here only. Okay. So Uday already got offer, he is going to office today. Okay. If you are not speaking, then you will be here only. I know you are sleeping. Okay. So here you can see from this DSO data is coming. For example, if I add multiple DSOs in the computer, from which DSO data is coming? Okay. So if you want to put the filter, I can put the filter also. Okay. Where I want to put the filter. Okay. Here I want to put the filter itself. I don't want to see all the data. So I want to see only particular record. So you can put the filter. So now I can see only one filter. What is the value? What is the value for this thing? Okay. You can see it. You can analyze it. Okay, you can go to change layout. If you don't want any other fields, I don't want to see these things. Okay, you can move to right side also comfortably. See, whichever we added country of plant. Can you see country of plant? Where we added this vendor, partner we added, right? Navigation attribute. I can see zero vendor. It is coming from zero vendor partner. And other one, material type. It is coming from material type. So do we have values for this one? Material type. Material type is blank. Okay. So are we getting material type at least one? We'll see. Material type is completely blank. Okay. This is blank. Okay. Like this. Okay. And we'll see. Okay. Other option. We will add one more object. We'll see. And how we will create. I will add this one. I'm adding. Okay. This DSO. I will load the data. In complete proder, if you have only one DS4, then is fine. When you have multiple records, then how it will be? What is happening? Hmm. Let me see some other. Some DTP stuck, it is showing while activating it. No. Request 97373, huh? Okay. I'll go RS server, there I will see it, okay? So here I'm giving entry. Okay, this is last time we loaded. Okay, this is the reason it is not getting activated. Job also completed. What is the target? This one, right? Due to this, I'm unable to activate the request in 16. Go to complete, open up destination. How do we cancel this job? I already deleted the job. It is not okay. Let me do it. One thing. Hmm. Now we'll see. Let me try now. It is not allowing to activate it. Now it is activating. So we need to identify the dependents also. So now it is completed. Failed. Due to why it is failed, we'll see. Any lowercase letters will go activation log and okay, might be lowercase letters. Okay. What is this? For which objects we having issue? Plant. Plant having P1. Small letters. So this is throwing error. So we didn't implement that one. Uh, Formula we didn't keep for this one. No? Let me do it. Okay. So select all these objects. Dates are fine, right? Yeah. Now you can. Okay, you understood, right? Why we are changing the values. DSO activation getting failing due to having lowercase letters. Clear, right?
Clear.
Yeah. Super. Values are different maintained. Okay, that is the way I cannot do at one time. If we have all values are same, then we can do it in PSA level at one time.